My apologies. I totally forgot to get back to you about the Rugrats. I'm sorry. Now I've got my Windows 7 machine here. Unfortunately, I have my XP machine at work, but the instructions are very similar for Windows XP. You want to right-click on the Start button, and then you're going to left-click on Windows Explorer. Now I think Windows XP it says Explore, but it's going to be easy to understand the difference. So that'll open up all your directories on your computer. Now, I've got a unique example where I've got probably 20 different directories here. You'll probably see a C drive, maybe a D drive for your hard drive, and then either a D or an E for your game. So you want to follow along here closely, and we're basically looking for every file that's an application file. So to the far right, you can see the word type. Then I can sort it by type, and I'll actually see the word application. To get them to display, because sometimes when you open it up, it won't say the file type, you'll need to click on this one and then do details. And then in my case, on Windows 7, you right-click here, and I click on type to show that type. And then I believe it's like under Files or Tools within XP to get it to display, but it's probably on your computer anyway. What you want to do is in every application file, you want to tell it to run in an earlier version of Windows. So in this case, it was made in 1999, and the first thing I'm going to do is right-click on Setup, left-click on Properties, and then left on Compatibility. You'll check this box, run this program in compatibility mode for, and then choose Windows 98. And now I think XP is the same as 7. So if you see this run as administrator, click that, and then click Apply, and then OK. If it's not in there, that's all right. Now what I'm doing is going into each individual folder here and looking for the application files. So on this one here, there are none. I'll go to Reader 32. Again, do a sort, and you see I've got 2 application files. Right-click, left-click Properties, left-click Compatibility. Run the program, and we're going to choose 98. And we're going to do that to every application file out there. So I'm not going to talk for about the next minute. I'm just going to go through and change them, and I'll let you follow along. And I apologize. Some games have a couple application files. Some of them have quite a bit like this program. Okay, nothing in here. Now you notice when I expand this directory, I'm actually looking for the application files right within that root directory. And I'm looking in the that subdirectory, DirectX. Okay, 5 files here. I think you're seeing the point here, but I will go through and select every one of them. Couple more to go. We got one more to go. Okay, only 4 more directories. And this is not, this is unique to have this many application files. Two last files. Okay, that's every file. Now, this isn't going to work on my Windows 7 machine, but it works on XP. And now you're going back to the root directory. You're basically just going to double-click that setup file. And now again, it's not working on mine because it's Windows 7, and it will not work. But I tested this on XP the other day, and it worked fine. So that's the end of the video, and hopefully that made sense. If it doesn't, either email me or call me, and we can try some other things. So take care, bye.